Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that affects us all: cardiovascular health. Our hearts are the engine that keeps us going, so it's crucial to take care of them. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips on how to keep your heart happy and healthy. So, grab a seat and let's dive in. Understanding cardiovascular health. Before we delve into the tips, let's take a moment to understand what cardiovascular health means. The cardiovascular system is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of our body. By maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system, we can reduce the risk of heart diseases, strokes, and other related conditions. Our hearts are incredible organs, tirelessly pumping blood and working around the clock. But they can also face challenges, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, or a sedentary lifestyle. By adopting certain habits, we can significantly improve our cardiovascular health. Balanced diet for a healthy heart. One of the most crucial factors in maintaining cardiovascular health is adopting a balanced diet. Incorporating heart-healthy foods into our meals can make a significant difference. Here are some dietary recommendations to keep your heart happy and healthy. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which help reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats. They contain fiber and nutrients that support a healthy heart. 3. Healthy fats. Choose sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Lean proteins. Include lean proteins such as fish, poultry, and legumes. They are excellent sources of protein without the added saturated fats found in red meats. Remember, a balanced diet is not about strict restrictions or deprivation. It's about making healthier choices and finding a sustainable approach that works for you. Regular physical activity. Physical activity is a key component of maintaining cardiovascular health. Regular exercise strengthens the heart, improves blood circulation, and helps manage weight. Here are some ways to stay active and keep your heart happy. 1. Aerobic exercises. Engage in activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling. These exercises get your heart rate up and promote cardiovascular fitness. 2. Strength training. Include strength training exercises like weightlifting or body weight exercises. They help build muscle, improve overall cardiovascular health, and support bone density. 3. Stay consistent. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise each week. Find activities you enjoy to stay motivated and make it a part of your routine. Remember, even small changes can have a big impact on your heart health. So, find activities you love and make physical activity a priority in your life. Lifestyle modifications. Apart from diet and exercise, making certain lifestyle changes can greatly benefit your heart health. Here are a few suggestions to incorporate into your daily life. 1. Quit smoking. Smoking damages the heart and blood vessels. If you smoke, quitting is the best thing you can do for your cardiovascular health. Seek support from friends, family, or professionals to help you through the process. 2. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to heart problems. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, engaging in hobbies you enjoy, or spending time with loved ones. 3. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for overall health, including cardiovascular health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine and create a sleep-friendly environment. 4. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to high blood pressure, heart failure, and other heart-related issues. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation, following recommended guidelines. Making these lifestyle modifications may not be easy, but remember that every positive change you make will contribute to the well-being of your heart. Regular health checkups. Lastly, regular health checkups play a vital role in maintaining cardiovascular health. Visiting your healthcare professional allows them to assess your cardiovascular health and identify any potential risks early on. During these checkups, your doctor may measure your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and perform other tests to evaluate your heart's health. They can provide personalized advice and guidance based on your unique needs. Remember, prevention is key. Detecting any potential issues early on can help you take appropriate steps to manage and improve your cardiovascular health. Taking care of your cardiovascular health is a lifelong commitment, but the rewards are worth it. By following these tips, maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, making lifestyle modifications, and seeking regular health checkups, you can keep your heart happy and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Remember, a healthy heart not only benefits you but also allows you to live a fuller, more active life. So, let's take charge of our cardiovascular health and make our hearts the happiest they can be. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health and wellness. Thank you all for watching, and remember, your heart deserves the best care. Take care, keep your hearts happy, and stay healthy.